In a small village, two neighbors lived side by side. For years, they shared joys, meals, and helped each other in times of need. But one day, a small misunderstanding over a piece of land turned into a heated argument. Angry words were spoken, and their friendship was broken. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. The once warm bond turned cold. Both carried the weight of anger in their hearts. Then, one neighbor fell seriously ill. Alone and weak, he had no one to look after him, except the neighbor he had once fought with. Seeing his neighbor suffering, the well man felt compassion stir in his heart. He went to his door, his heart heavy. Should he forgive or walk away? Finally, he knocked, bringing food and medicine. The sick man whispered, "Why are you helping me after all that happened?" "Because friendship is more valuable than pride." "I forgive you." Tears flowed. The sick neighbor asked for forgiveness too. From that day on, peace returned, and their bond grew stronger than before. This story reminds us, holding grudges brings pain, but forgiveness brings peace, blessings, and a happier life. Dear friends, let us learn from these two neighbors. If you want peace in your life, open your heart and forgive.